What's going on, everybody? Mr. C growing for B, back at you again in the flower room with it torn apart. Look at this. Got everything off the roof. Everything as you've seen on the last one. Alright, now I got this black tarp here. So all this is gonna be the vapor barrier. This is a pretty thick plastic. What is this, 6 mil? And I'm gonna put it all over this this wood over here. This is the outside to my shop. This is where it gets really cold. So what we're trying to do is keep all the dampness, all the cold air from coming into the room. So I cleaned all this stuff out. I bleached it, I ozone generated it, I bug bombed it, I did everything while it was all in here. I even did the equipment with all that stuff in there too. Alright, so let's get to putting this on the roof here. So try not to poke any holes in it, least amount of holes as possible. So I know I'm gonna poke some holes in it. You know, I'm gonna put a couple staples up. That's how I'm putting them up. 2 staples. I figured maybe put some tape or something like that, but it wasn't too bad, so I didn't do anything like that. There's a couple holes that I'm putting in here. One's for the HID lights and one's for the electricity though. Then I got this 2-inch foam here. We're gonna line it all up now. Once we got all that plastic up, putting it all the way through here. So I got that last aisle here, not done yet. So I still got the plastic. All this is one sheet. So I'm just gonna scoot it over once I put the light in. I'm gonna run the cable there. But looking pretty good. So we're gonna fill this whole room up here. Keep it from raining in here during the cold winters. But there's one of the little holes. That's the outlet. I'm just gonna pretty much try to keep it up, keep that hole as small as possible. Just as long as we don't, we want to keep it a sealed environment with no freaking humidity coming, no cold air coming in. That's what I'm trying to do here. All right. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Much love. Hit the like button. Subscribe. You guys, come on. Tell a friend, share, and subscribe. I am growing. Maybe I'll come back next week or something like that. Maybe I'll show you guys what I'm finishing up here. I am putting the R-Tech up here, and we'll see, but much love. Keep growing on though. Look at this. Alright, you guys keep growing on. Much love. Hug your loved ones.